Meaning of Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk is a fairy tale about a young boy named Jack who trades his cow for some magic beans. The beans grow into a giant beanstalk that reaches up to the sky, and Jack climbs it to find a giant's castle. He steals from the giant and escapes back down the beanstalk, which he then chops down, killing the giant. The story teaches moral lessons about the consequences of greed, the importance of making wise decisions, and the value of hard work.